Animal Park by Judy Nair. What will we see in the big park? The sun is up at camp. Camp is in a big, big park. It is home to many animals. Will we see them? We go bump, bump, bump in the truck. A band of zebras runs past. They blend into the grass. Big cats rest from a hunt. Cubs bat at bugs. Big birds stand in the grass. They can run fast. Big hippos sit in mud. The sun is hot, but the mud is not. Are we in luck? Yes. Big elephants stand and sip in the pond. They stomp into the pond and swim. Bump, bump, bump. We are back at camp. This park is home to many animals. We are glad we saw them.